everyone. Welcome to Nazir Tech Buddy. My name is Nazir. Thanks for tuning to this video. This is my first prepared YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you a shortcut method to get Bismillah Ir Rahman typed in Arabic language in Microsoft Word. It is going to be really easy if you follow these steps. Let's dive in. First of all, right click on this Windows button and click on Run. Here you have to type Win Word and just click on OK. Okay, our Microsoft Word open. Just click on the blank document. I'm maximizing this window. Now you have to type F D F D, and then on the keyboard you have to press Alt plus X button. Okay, I see something. Let me quickly zoom this for you. Okay. Oh, it is not correct. I think I know the reason why this prints incorrectly. One important point you need to consider: if your laptop is new or recently formatted, there is a high possibility that your laptop or PC may not have the required font that helps Microsoft to type this Arabic language correctly. How to check that? So let me quickly close this window and we'll go back to the same right click on this Windows button, click on Run, and now we need to type fonts, plural form, and let's just click on OK. Here we can see all the fonts which are already available in this laptop. The one we are looking at here is Arabic typesetting. Okay, it is in alphabetic order. I don't see. Let me quickly use the search box to find it. No, I don't see it. Okay, we need to download one. As we have checked, the font is not available. We will go to the browser and just type Arabic typesetting font and hit enter. Okay, I'll go to this first website and I see the download button here. Okay, it is very short file, easily get downloaded quickly. Okay, now usually this comes in a zip file. You have to extract first. So I'm gonna right click and click on extract all. Okay, there are three files usually in this font zip file. You have to pick the one which is true type font file. Right click on this and just click on install. Okay, looks like it is installed. Let's verify again. Go to fonts. Okay, there you go. It is here. Okay, now we will go back to Microsoft Word again. Right click Windows, click on Run, and just type Win Word. Opening the blank document, and then there are two ways of doing it. One is you can go straight away and just type FD, and on the keyboard press Alt X. You may see it, let me zoom in. You may see it again in an incorrect form. That's fine since we have downloaded the required font. I'm gonna select this and change it to Arabic typesetting. This is one way. Or what you can do is I'm closing this document and opening a new once again. The other way is you first change the font to Arabic typesetting and then type FD and on the keyboard Alt X. There you go. I'm gonna zoom in so that you can clearly see. There you go. Thanks for watching completely. Hit like and subscribe button if you would like to see more in future.